Hello, this is Two Old Souls online auctions in conjunction with J&K Estate Sales platform with a great opportunity. Today we're bringing you a Cub Cadet Ultima ZT1 Zero-Turn Riding Mower, 42-inch blade. It's the ZT1 42-inch. It's powered by the Kohler 7000 series 22 horsepower motor. It's got the outfitted with the hitch on the back there. Runs good, starts right up. Well maintained, not very old. Come in here, make sure it's set to start. You can see it fired right up. Adjust it back to running mode. The front lights work. It's ready to go. It's ready to mow. It's burned like a kitten. Happy bidding.